Hey everyone, if you have got a Biometric Residence Permit or BRP in the UK, there is an update for you. Now you might be wondering what exactly is a BRP and when do I get one. So you are an international student coming to the UK for more than 6 months, you will get a BRP within 10 days of arriving in the UK, either from a designated post office or your university. It's basically your UK ID card that shows your visa details, how long you can stay and if you are allowed to work while you study in the UK. Now the latest update is that if your BRP is set to expire on December 31st, 2024, you can go online and create a UKVI account to get an eVisa. So an eVisa is the digital version of your BRP where all your visa details like your permission to study, work or stay in the UK are easily accessible online. So this facility is now available after 7th August 2024 and you can create your account on this website and switch to your eVisa.